In 60 seconds, I'll show how to link TD Online Banking to QuickBooks or Mint, step by step. Step 1. Securely log into TD Online Banking on desktop using your username and password. Open the account you want to connect and look for Download Transactions or a Connect option. For automatic sync, choose Connect to Accounting Software, then select QuickBooks or Mint from the list. Enter your QuickBooks or Mint credentials when prompted and complete multi-factor authentication to authorize the link. Authorize access and map your TD account to the matching QuickBooks or Mint account to start automatic syncing. If Automatic Connect isn't available, download transactions from TD as a CSV for the dates you need. In QuickBooks, go to Banking, choose Upload Transactions, select the TD CSV, and start the import. In Mint, open Add Accounts or Transactions, pick Upload a File, then import the TD CSV file. Review imported transactions, categorize or match them, and resolve any duplicates or mismatches. Tip: check syncing daily for the first week and correct any account mapping issues quickly. Summary: connect directly when possible or upload CSV, map accounts, review transactions. You're all set.